Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to learn verb to be. In this matter, we are going to see the use, the forms, and practice. So let's begin with the use of verb to be. We use verb to be to talk about, first, jobs and occupations. For example, I'm a teacher. John is a policeman. Second, age. For example, Sarah is 5 years old. Or Brad is 60 years old. Also, we use verb to be to describe or something or someone. For example, Mary is a beautiful girl. It is a big car. Now let's move to the forms of verb to be. Of course, we have three types of sentences: affirmative, negative, and interrogative. Let's start with the affirmative sentence. In the affirmative sentence, we have subject or subject pronoun plus verb to be. Of course, we are going to see the full form and the short form. Let's write the subject pronouns: I, you, he, she, it, we, you, and they. Now let's put the verb to be in the affirmative form. So it will be I am, you are, he is, she is, it is, we are, you are, and they are. And the short form will be like I'm, your, his, she's, its, where, your, and their. Alright, let's move to the negative sentence. The negative sentence will be the following: subject pronoun or the subject plus verb to be plus not. And we will see also the full form and the short form. We have I, you, he, she, it, we, you, and they. And now let's put the verb to be plus not. So it will be I am not, you are not, he is not, she is not, it is not, we are not, you are not, and they are not. And the short form will be like I'm not, you aren't, he isn't, she isn't, it isn't, we aren't, you aren't, and they aren't. Alright, let's move now to the interrogative sentence. As we mentioned earlier, the affirmative sentence is like subject pronoun plus verb to be. For example, you are a student. However, in the interrogative, there is an inversion. So we're not gonna start by subject pronoun, then verb to be, but the verb to be, then the subject pronoun. And don't forget to put the interrogation mark. So it will be verb to be plus subject pronoun. For example, are you a student? The interrogative form will be the following: verb to be plus subject pronoun and the interrogation mark. And we have only one form, which is am I, are you, is he, is she, is it, are we, are you, and are they. Now let's move to do some exercises for practice. We have two exercises here. The first one is complete the following sentences with not, isn't, aren't. Of course, we have negative sentences, and the second one is am, is, or are. And here we have the affirmative sentences. So this was the lesson of grammar of verb to be. I hope you enjoyed watching the video. Please leave your answers in the comments and don't forget to subscribe. Bye bye.